We're in a place called tinwis, tinwis. That means calm waters. Tinwis is the calm beach.
When there's a place name on the land in Nuu-chah-nulth, it's usually describing what it was used for, or a reference point of some sort that tells what that place of land is actually providing to our people.
On the charts, it's known as MacKenzie Beach, but to us it's always been tinwis and a place of refuge. Language is so important to us, and that's been our biggest loss from the residential school, is the loss of our language and the understanding of that language. And I always tell people that it's not enough to learn and then speak the language. You also have to live it. So.
To see the name MacKenzie Beach no longer used, and to put formally the traditional place name tinwis on the map for everyone to utilize, just means the world to me. It would be, a really big step towards reconciliation, towards elevating Tla-o-qiu-aht back into its role in these lands, letting people know the place name that it's been for thousands of years.
Means a lot to me, and it means a lot to our nation, right? I mean, we've seen it so much on the highways with our language being on the different signs that you see, right?
We hope you take action and sign up, change.org, get behind this movement, and let our politicians and mayors and leadership know that this is something that needs to happen.